Career Opportunities in Digital Marketing Complete Guide. Table of Contents. The digital marketing job role is rapidly growing. Top 10 career opportunities in digital marketing. Average salaries for digital marketing roles. Is digital marketing a good career option? Future scope of digital marketing. Advancing digital marketing career with Sprintzeal. Conclusion. FAQs.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The digital marketing job role is rapidly growing. Digital marketing has revolutionized business connections online, offering career opportunities in digital marketing due to the internet's growing role in our lives. It's essential for reaching customers effectively. The field of digital marketing includes things like making websites, using social media, and sending emails to people. These things help businesses get noticed and sell their products. That's why jobs in digital marketing are in high demand. Digital marketing career options offer a promising path. It's rapidly expanding, providing various roles like content creation, social media management, and data analysis. Continuous learning and growth opportunities make it a bright choice. This article explores the different jobs you can do in digital marketing and why it's worth considering as a career. Now that we understand why a career in digital marketing is on the rise, let's explore the top 10 opportunities in this field. 1. Content Marketing Manager. They craft diverse content, from blogs to videos, aligning it with brand goals to engage audiences, boost credibility, and drive conversions through compelling, informative material. 2. Search Engine Optimization SEO Specialist. SEO specialists enhance website search engine visibility through keyword research, on/off-page optimization, and constant strategy adjustments to boost organic traffic. By staying updated with search engine algorithms, SEO specialists ensure that websites rank higher and attract more visitors. 3. Social Media Manager. These professionals curate brand presence on social platforms, crafting content, engaging followers, tracking metrics, and nurturing brand affinity, crucial for boosting visibility and user interaction. 4. Email Marketing Specialist. Experts in email marketing create and implement tailored email strategies. They curate captivating content, refine audience segmentation, and scrutinize email performance metrics, all aimed at delivering precise messages for optimal marketing success. 5. Digital Marketing Analysts. Digital marketing analysts are data detectives. They collect, interpret, and analyze data from various digital marketing campaigns. Their role involves tracking website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. They support decision-making and the optimization of marketing initiatives by obtaining useful insights from the data. 6. Pay-per-click PPC Specialist. PPC specialists oversee ad campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads. They conduct keyword research, create ad copy, set budgets, and monitor campaign performance. Their role is crucial in ensuring that businesses get a strong return on investment from paid advertising. 7. Digital Marketing Strategist. Digital marketing strategists are the architects of marketing plans. They develop comprehensive strategies that encompass various digital channels to meet specific business objectives. Their role involves market research, understanding target audiences, and aligning digital marketing efforts with broader business strategies. 8. Web Analytics Specialist. Web analytics specialists focus on tracking and interpreting website data. They monitor web traffic, user behavior, and engagement through analytics tools, delivering valuable insights and recommendations to enhance website performance, user interactions, and conversion rate. Average salaries for digital marketing roles. A career in digital marketing offers enticing earning potential. Salaries are influenced by location, experience, and job roles, but generally, digital marketing experts receive competitive compensation. Here's an overview of average salaries as per the Glassdoor report for some key digital marketing positions in the United States. Content Marketing Manager, $70,000 to $115,000. SEO Specialist, $50,000 to $90,000. Social Media Manager, $45,000 to $85,000. Email Marketing Specialist, $45,000 to $75,000. Digital Marketing Analyst, $55,000 to $90,000. PPC Specialist, $45,000 to $80,000. Digital Marketing Strategist, $65,000 to $120,000. Web Analytics Specialist, $60,000 to $100,000. E-commerce specialist, $50,000 to $95,000. Affiliate marketing manager, $55,000 to $105,000. This range reflects typical salaries, but with experience, your earnings can soar as you become more skilled in your profession. Is digital marketing a good career option? Undoubtedly. There are digital marketing job opportunities in the dynamic, ever-growing field of digital marketing. Due to the industry's rapid growth, skilled workers are constantly needed. With a wide variety of roles available, aspirants can match their interests and skills with their favored niche, making it an exciting and promising career path. Digital marketing keeps changing, making it great for people who love learning and staying updated. It's a place for creativity, letting you try different marketing ideas and methods. Many digital marketing roles can be performed remotely, offering flexibility and work-life balance. The industry offers competitive salaries and opportunities for advancement. Future scope of digital marketing. The future of digital marketing is incredibly promising. Here are some trends and developments to watch for. AI and automation. Expect artificial intelligence and automation to increasingly refine marketing efforts, tailoring content and enhancing user interactions. Video marketing. The significance of video content for audience engagement and connection will continue to rise. Voice search optimization. With increasing use of voice-activated devices, optimizing content for voice search will be crucial. Data privacy. With growing privacy concerns, digital marketers must adopt transparent and ethical data collection and usage practices. Inclusivity and diversity. Brands will prioritize inclusive and diverse marketing campaigns to engage a wider audience. Sustainability. Sustainable and eco-friendly marketing will become more critical as consumers demand socially responsible brands. Advancing digital marketing career with Sprintzeal. Advancing your digital marketing career is a smart move. Here are 6 basic steps to help you grow in this field. Keep learning. Explore free online resources, courses, and webinars to stay updated on digital marketing trends. Networking. Connect with other professionals in the field. Attend industry events or join digital marketing groups on social media. Networking can open up opportunities and help you learn from others. Specialize. Identify an area of digital marketing that interests you the most, such as SEO, content marketing, or social media. Becoming a specialist can make you more valuable. Certifications. Consider getting certifications. Enroll in Sprintzeal's Digital Marketing Master's Program for comprehensive training and certifications. These certifications showcase your expertise and open up new career opportunities. Practice. Apply what you learn. Start your own blog or work on small projects to gain practical experience. Mentorship. Find an experienced digital marketer willing to guide you. Sprintzeal mentors work closely with you to understand your career goals, strengths, and areas for improvement. They create a personalized plan to help you reach your objectives.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comments section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.